Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the RCI-63FFD4. This is for Damon in Arkansas. Okay, we're going to start with the power all the way down. AM is the only mode. We have it set for 100 watts on top scale. All the way down is a little under 10. And all the way up, it's right at 100 watts. Peak power on a 500 slug, and we'll be reading in the middle scale. That's 300, 400, and 500. Audio, check. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There you go. Full 500, almost on that wavy. And no other things to show you. Hey, breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, thank you.